Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sandra Juliet, Assistant Professor in the Department of English, Sacred Heart College Autonomous Calicut, Kerala, and I am delighted to introduce our new MOOC course on SWAYAM platform titled Text and Performance. This 3-credit course with its 32 modules takes you on a carefully structured journey from the foundational ideas of text and performance through critical perspectives and finally into the practice of performance. This course is designed for students, research scholars, teachers and anyone interested in literature, theatre and performance studies. Join us on SWAYAM for text and performance and discover how ideas take shape, how words find bodies and how meaning comes alive. Step into the spotlight and begin the journey with us. I'll see you in Module 1.